People talk about Huqooq-ul-Ibad, rights in clothing, but the real meaning is the rights of the servant, the rights of the soul within this body. This body is just a garment, libas, not who I am, just the dress I arrived in. He gave you a house, and that house is your body. So, what is your responsibility toward it? A man became angry with himself, thinking he was pleased with his own existence, yet his own being annoyed him. You trust your tongue when you speak, but the moment you sleep, you have no control over it. When your eyes close, you trust they will open again. You never doubt it. So many people live inside their bodies yet remain depressed. Why? Because they ruined their own home. If your room is dirty, you can't sleep peacefully. You feel restless until you clean it and remove the smell. This body is also a room. When the inside becomes filthy, how can you claim you are not depressed? Of course, you will feel weight, the sleepless nights, the anxiety. There is too much inside, and eventually you have to throw it out.